So what you can also do is you can delete, empty, rename, and move folders inside of Microsoft Outlook. So over here you can see that this is what you have. You got 3 folders over here, and if you want to move out the folders, then you can simply go around, click and drag out the folders over here onto the other folder, and now it becomes a subfolder. As you can see, you can also go around, drag it out onto inbox, and now you can bring out the subfolder to be main folder as well. You can right click around over here and you get other option for the folder as well. Like let's say for example, you can create a new subfolder. You can see the numbers right here. You can also go around and then add this folder to the favorites, and it's added to the favorites as you can see right here. And you can go around and right click and mark out all red and move it out from over here as well. If I were to go around onto this particular folder, then this moves inside. You can right click around over here, and what you can also do is you can go around and open this folder in a new window as well, and that particular folder will be opened out in new window over here just like this. If I were to go around and right click over here, then you can also rename out the folder to, let's say for example, MS over here. And then if you want to delete out all of the mails in that particular folder, then all you need to do is right click and then empty the folder over here. Then you can click on delete all, and all of the content will be deleted, as you can see just like this. And that is how you can delete and empty and rename and even move folders from Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.